Welcome to Investor Copilot. I am Viraj, and today we will discuss the order entry feature on Questrade trading platform in greater detail. So let's get started. Now, this sidebar of order entry is your gateway into the market, so it's important to understand this. The first thing that we see on the order entry sidebar is the search bar, and this search bar is basically a global search on all the securities and ETFs available on the market, not only Canadian markets but US markets as well. And even if you don't know the ticker symbol of the security that you're trying to purchase, you can very efficiently use this search bar to find whatever you are looking to buy and search it up. So, as an example, if I look for Microsoft, I see Microsoft that is traded on NASDAQ, and I see MSFT.to that is traded on Canadian exchanges as well. And so I can differentiate between the two. Today, for today's example, we'll search something called Constellation software. So we're trying to purchase stocks for Constellation software, and we see in this long list CSU.to, which is Constellation software, which is traded on the TSX. So this is something that we are going after for a purchase, and I select this. It immediately will show me the bid price and the ask price for this particular stock. I see that the bid price is the highest price that the traders are willing to pay, and ask price is the lowest price that the traders are willing to accept. So if there is a live price show over here. Quantity, I can define the quantity of purchase over here as well. Now, please remember that quantity multiplied by the price will be the total amount you're committing for this investment. This is important because it defines whether you want to use your margin, that is your buying power, or not. Your extended buying powers are shown here. This is the buying power, this is the max buying power, and your cash is here. So if you only want to use your cash, you can adjust your quantity in that way. Or if you want to use your buying power or max buying power, you can buy higher quantities. So pay attention to the quantity of this security that you're trying to purchase. Okay. Now, next thing, important thing is order types. Now, order types let you fine tune your investment decision, fine tune your purchase or even sale, and order type lets you control the price at which you want to do your transaction. So let's understand this. Market order is the simplest type of order. Whether you're buying or selling, market order means that you're accepting the bid or ask prices that the market is dictating or the market is flowing through right now. So a buy order will look at bid price, sell order will look at ask price, and that is what you're going after. And if your order is fulfilled, it will be fulfilled at whatever live price is shown in the market at that moment. So the simplest type of order, you're not defining any prices here. You're just making a decision to buy or sell based on what the market dictates. Okay. Next type of order is a limit order. Now, as soon as you select limit as the order type, you get this prompt to input the limit price. Now, let's look at the definition of limit order. Now, limit orders allows you to set a price, as we saw. You can specify this maximum price you'll pay when buying the securities or the minimum price you'll accept when selling them. Limit orders will only execute at your given price or better before the order expires. So when we say expires here, it depends on the duration of the order. But however, whatever duration you set, under that rules, the order will expire if the limit price is not met. So your security has to trade through this limit price for your order to be filled. That is what limit means. Okay. Next order type we will look at is LOO, which is a limit open. Let's look at the definition of limit open. Now, limit on open order is when you place a buy order with a limit on the open order. You're setting the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the market price at open on the following trading day is at or below the maximum price, that is the limit price you set, your order is processed. If the market price is above the limit you set, your order is cancelled. That is LOO. Okay. Another one is LOC, which is limit close. Let's look at that. Limit on close order is when you place a buy order with a limit close order, you're setting the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the market price at close on the current trading day is at or below the maximum price, that is the limit you set, your order is processed. If the market price is above the limit you set, your order is cancelled. Okay. So LO and LOC orders are basically combining limit orders with the open and close of the market on that particular day. Next one is stop order. This is another important order type. When you select or a stop order, you will see a stop price and you're prompted to enter this. So let's look at definition of stop order. Now a stop order, please remember, is also called a stop loss order, just to articulate it better and to convey its meaning better. Now a stop order can be a buy or a sell order, and a type of order used to buy or sell securities when the market price reaches a specified value known as the stop price. Stop orders are generally used to limit losses or to protect profits from a security that has been sold short. Okay, so stop order basically is a hidden order and it converts into a market order only when the security has traded through the stop price. Please remember that. So your stop price is the price that you're setting to limit your losses. Let's say you want to sell a stock and the stock you is falling. You will set a stop price so that you stop your loss. That is the intention. Same thing for buying. If the stock is rallying above, you set a stop price so that you want to buy low and not let the stock price run away, and you don't want to buy at a much higher price than intended. Okay, that is the stop order. Stop limit order. Limit price and stop price both are important and need to be indicated for a stop limit order. It basically combines the features of a stop order and a limit order. A stop price, once the security trades through it, the limit price comes into the picture and the order will be executed as per the limit price. This is what stop limit means. Then we have trailing stop order, and then we have trailing stop limit orders. Now these two order types are not so frequently used. They are basically dependent on the dollar value of the stock and the traded volume, and there is a percentage calculation involved to dictate the trailing price and the limit offset. So these are this is basically an advanced form of trading decision that you can make, and we will cover this trailing stop order and trailing stop limit order in some later sessions. But for now, please remember all the other order types that we discussed, and they are important. Now let's look at the concept of durations on your orders as well, because that is important to control your trade as well. So duration, you have many selections here. The day duration, what does it mean? Let's look at that. So day duration, the order remains active until the end of the current trading day, which is 4 p.m. Eastern time for TSX. If the order is not filled by the end of the trading day, the order is automatically cancelled. If you place a day order outside of regular trading hours, your order will be queued for the following trading day. So that is the day type, duration type on orders. Okay, so this is the most common one that is selected. Then you have GTC, which is basically good till cancelled, and the order remains active until it is filled or the order is manually cancelled. So that is the GTC order, and the maximum length of the time for any order that can remain active is 90 calendar days. So good till cancelled order basically becomes a standing order, and it carries forward day to day to day, and it can remain active for 90 days or until you cancel it. Okay, so that is the GTC order. Then we have GTD, which is the good till date order. So when I select GTD here, the system will prompt me to enter a date here. And this is basically just a version of the GTC order where you're actually specifying a day particular date till which you want this order either filled or it will auto cancel. So that is GTD. Okay, we have GTEM. Let's look at that. Good till extended market. The order remains open for the current trading day, including both pre and post market hours. If the order is not filled by the end of post market hours, the order is cancelled. So that is GTEM order. Okay. Now these two are another special order durations. We have IOC, which is basically immediate or cancel. Now, all or part of the order will fill immediately. Any portion of the order that is not filled immediately is cancelled. Traders will typically use IOC or FOK orders to avoid having their orders filled across a wide range of prices. Now, this is typically used for a very large quantity of order to avoid it being filled at variable prices. Okay, so that is the IOC, immediate or cancel order. We also have the FOK, basically fill or kill order. Okay, this order will fill immediately and completely or not at all. If the order cannot be filled in its entirety, the order is cancelled. An FOK order combines all the properties of all or none, order condition, and an immediate or cancel duration. This type of order is typically used for larger orders of many thousands of shares. Okay. So that is all about order durations. We covered order types as well. You also have to make sure that you select the right account here. For example, I have RRSP here and margin, but I want to make a purchase in the margin account. So please make sure that you select the correct account as well. And then you can either buy or you can sell your holdings by checking your positions and your holdings as well and make a sell decision as well. Okay, so this is all about order entry on Questrade. Thank you very much.